Mouth-watering chicken doesn't have to be expensive. Let me show you how I save money without compromising flavor. On a drumstick, you have one side that contains the majority of the meat. And on the back side, you will find a seam that has very little meat, which is where I will begin cutting. But first, grab your meat and make a circular cut around the leg to release the skin and tendons from the knuckle. Next, place the knife under the skin and follow the bone until it's all the way through. Be careful not to cut your hand if you're holding the chicken like this. Alternatively, you can lay it onto the cutting board and make the incision. Now with the bone exposed, use the knife to make small cuts to separate the meat from the sides. But make sure to leave a little attached to the bone for easier eating. Once all the chicken has been processed, it's time to set them aside while I put together the coating that's going to give us a super crispy texture. In a bowl, add 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon coarse salt, 2 teaspoons white pepper, and lastly, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix until it's all evenly distributed. Add in the chicken and give it a mix, making sure to get into every crack. After all the chicken has been coated, let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes on a tray. In my trials, I have found this to result in the best crispy coating. Grab your air fryer basket or baking tray and give it a light spray of oil and place the chicken onto the tray. Try and not overlap the meat, as any spots that aren't exposed in the fryer will not crisp up. If you have to do multiple batches, that is a much better option. I know this isn't always an option in today's busy world. Set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes each side for a total of 20 minutes. At this point, the chicken is nice and crispy and ready to eat. But if you're like me and love saucy chicken, give it a light coating of teriyaki sauce and throw it back into the oven to get nice and sticky. And there you have it, crispy and saucy air-fried chicken on a budget. Give it a try. I hope you guys liked this video. If you made it this far, show that subscribe button some love. Also, what are some of your favorite foods to cook while trying to save on the price of groceries? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep it saucy.